Yes, students, we have seen how the election process is being held by the commissioner, and what is the function of the election commissioner. Now we have seen what is the function. Now the function to prepare the voter list. Okay, now in this he has to see the eligible voter, the name of the voter, and he should be given a identity card for voting at the time of election. Then the commissioner decides timetable and program of election, scrutinize of the application of candidate, to give recognition to the political parties, to solve disputes relating to election, then reconstructing the constituencies. Okay, this is the role of the election commissioner. Now we will see the next topic here, which is given on page number 78. Now the process of election. The process of election. Now what are the process of election? First one is establishment of constituencies, then finalizing voter list, nominations of candidates and scrutiny of the nomination form, election campaign, actual voting, counting of votes, results of election, resolution of disputes regarding elections. Now, the reconstructing of the constitutions. The total number of members in Lok Sabha is 543. So, how many constituencies are there? In total, 543 constituencies are there, and from each constituent, a single member has to stand for the election. Now, what is a code of conduct? To ensure free and fair election in India, the Election Commission has adopted several measures. The code of conduct is one of the measures adopted by the Election Commission. Election Commission has the power to control malpractices during the election. The code of conduct explains the rules that are to be followed by the government, political parties and voters before election and during the elections. Then we move to the next column, then that is challenges in conducting free and fair elections. During elections there are so many mishappening may occur, so the election commission has to be very vigilant. The size of our country and the number of voters conducting elections become a truly challenging task. The election commission has to work with the law for dealing with the free and fair elections. Now, first point, misuse of money takes place to a greater extent during election. The election commission has to take several measures to stop such a misuse of money. Many political parties give election tickets to the candidate with criminal background. This result not only in criminalizing politics, but the election commission also faces problems in ensuring that elections are conducted in the free environment. Another major challenge is violence during election. The extent of violence has increased. Now we'll see page number that is 79. What else it tells? To retain a continuing influence on politics, leaders give election tickets to their own relative. This practice creates a family monopoly in politics. Then electoral reforms. Electoral reforms becomes reliable if election process gets improved. Now, the election should be free, fair and smooth. To increase participation of women in politics, The political party should give 50% candidature to women candidate and try to ensure that they get elected. Political parties should not give candidature to candidates having criminal background. The government should take care of election expenses to ensure that parties will not make misuse of money and mismanagement of money during election can be stopped. Representative of the People Act should be amended so that candidate having criminal background would not be able to participate in elections. Okay, now you are knowing much about the election. This is the election box. Okay, and you have to fold your papers, the ballot paper, and put into the box. Then we'll go to the next page, that is page number 180. Now the general elections. Now in Lok Sabha, how many members are there? I told you there are 543. Lok Sabha election held after every 5 years are called general election. Midterm election, if the elected government loses its majority